Hey guys, how's it going? It's Daniel here today. Today I'm going to be showing you another free file, which is actually called Fences. Now what Fences allows you to do is actually organize your desktop into separate categories. As you can see in my desktop here, you have the programs file. You can actually drag, resize it, and I'll actually also rename it and actually customize the background color. And you see my summative work, some games, some burning. Actually, this was supposed to be gameplay, but I called it herp because I went to school and I didn't really want people to mess around through there. The iPod, and these are all customizable to your liking. So actually, here is the setup. But before we get into that, I actually want to show you where to download this, and this link will be in the description. And because this is actually a free file, it is accessible at CNET downloads. But I'll put this link in the description. You just click download now. It does all the good stuff. And then here's actually the installation, so let's get to it. Yes, Stardock Corporations. I probably actually won't install it. I'll probably just show you part of it. And actually I'll stop it right here, but just set it up as you normally would any other application. So I'll just open it up here where it says recent things, customize Fences. Actually, what's cool thing is it actually shows you how you currently have your things set up. So I'll just make my programs perfectly aligned. But so it's a pretty cool way. Actually, on the display itself, you can't actually add or create a fence here. You actually do it here, and I will actually show you how to do that very shortly. And here you actually have different sort of layouts, rather. Sorry, yeah, didn't want to screw up my words there. But I usually just leave it as my customized layout. It's up to you guys how you guys like it. I think I actually might change it to that later. Or yeah, well, I'm just gonna stop messing around here. This just to show you it's sort of a quick walkthrough around the program. So as you saw, you can change the layout. Just, apply the layout, although I didn't change it. You can also change the appearance. So whether you want to show the labels like these headings, you can make it never, just when I go over it, which is actually kind of cool. Maybe I'll leave it to that, or always. I think on mouse actually makes it look a bit more neater. And then also one other cool thing you can actually do is change the color, the transparency. So right now actually I'll change it to like a bluish color, and I'll just put it all the way, up. Actually, is there red? Yeah, I'll put it red all the way up. The color intensity, make it dark, make it light, and whatever for the video. Keep it light. No, make it look like a pink. I'll change that later. Just change this smaller. And saturation, Oh baby, we'll just make it a pink for this video. Okay, whatever. And this is the outline, which I've never actually tinkered with. Fade over the. What would that do? Ooh. Oh no. Oh yeah, I see it. So I do that, just like fades it over. But yeah, I'll just keep it. I'll keep everything how it originally was. You can change the color of the text when you go over here, but because I'm doing it when you scroll over, it doesn't really affect me or bother me because you don't really see it. So yeah, here's some of the options where you can do to change colors and pretty much the appearance of it. Now the tools, I've never really tinkered around with this. If you want, actually fine, we'll just take a snapshot. Yeah, snapshot taken, and this actually, I guess, it just pictures of your current desktop. This was the first time I ever used it. This was the before, actually. So my desktop was pretty organized, I guess. Here was some things I usually used for the iPod. For the herp area, I guess you would call it. But yeah, it's just taking snapshots of your desktop appearance, and you can probably show how it improved in organization. The help, you probably don't need that. About, if you ever want to learn more about this, or you can report a problem, check for updates. But I already have it checked for automatically doing updates. So this is a just a quick walkthrough of the actually oh, sorry about that, clear my throat. Interface of the software, I guess. But actually now on to how you actually create fences. If you want to create a fence, what you do is you just go on your desktop, right click, and like drag a square box, create a new fence here. We'll call this test. Now you have this test folder. And actually, if you want to rename it, all you do is right click on the the fence, and then you click rename. I'll just call it YouTube, and actually the name is now replaced YouTube, and actually I'll show you how it's been added to the application here. So it says fences. Now if we actually want to remove it, again you just right click and remove the fence. Yes. And so you guys can actually create folders inside these fences, and you can actually move it, and when you make it small, it makes the scroll wheel or the scroll option. But I usually don't like that. I usually just kind of stretch it out so that it's all one page, because I don't really like scrolling through items and not prioritizing my applications and how much I use them. So I just usually just make it like that. So yeah, guys, again, this has been a quick little look at the free application called Fences. Again, the link for this application will be in the description. As always, please comment, rate, and subscribe, guys, and I'll check you guys in my next video. Later.